Mat.
You might not know what the word is. This is a type of fish. It's cod. A codfish. Listen to the sound in the beginning. A cod. Nia, now spell.
I'm done.
The word is da. Da. Think of the sound you hear at the beginning of da. Da. Leg. Good. Goat. Gas. Oh, tricked you again. It's not a pattern. Listen to the word. Gas. Where do you hear the g?
Just at the beginning.
At the beginning. So I should see your face. Leg. Frog. Oh, good. I tripped, but everybody did great. Gate. Gorilla. Some people aren't listening. Gorilla. Okay. Snag.